simple chicken soup dinner, weekend dinner. Soften our skin. Nice and clean. I'm gonna add some seasoning to this. Some chicken seasoning, making it nice. Add a little salt to this. I'm very disappointed with this and with this pumpkin, but I'm gonna fix the business for it. I'm gonna fix this business. You see what I'm doing? It shouldn't be done like this because it can break easily, and you don't need to cut it up because when you keep it whole, it boil out easier. Okay. I'm putting it whole in the garlic, and I like a lot of garlic. We boil out and some ginger. Yeah, I like that way. I don't like put carrot in there early because carrot tends to cook and then it becomes sweet. The soup becomes sweet, and I don't like my soup sweet. Simple soup for weekend menu, weekend dinner, and it's winter, you all. And I'm gonna try clean as I go because Ashani, I really want to wash up no dishes or clean up no kitchen. Right, Ashani? Mm-hmm. Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. I know. It's a small amount, not a lot. You don't really need no salt because the soup I have salt. I'm not doing a lot because I tend to make a lot of dumplings, and at the end of the day, one lot left. So, and it's no cornmeal. If I was making pea soup, I would add a little cornmeal to it. But for chicken soup, I just make plain flour. I'm teaching you how to make dumpling. Ashani, you know how to make dumpling?
I don't eat dumpling.
You don't eat dumpling? Oh my God, that's news to me. How come I don't know that? You don't eat dumpling anymore?
No, I don't eat that at all.
Never?
I never used to like it.
Dumpling too tight. Like how my father used to make it. Big and tight with his strong arm. I never used to like that. So this I'm gonna leave so my pot is clean. Talking about my father. This is in his t-shirt. I just found his t-shirt a while ago before. And I said I'm gonna put it on in loving memory of my dear daddy with his guitar in his hand. You know, Papa, you know, we miss you, we love you. Father died like what, 2015, and I'm just remembering him. That man used to love cook soup. He was a great soup cooker.
Yeah, August.
Eh?
He buried in August.
He buried in August? Yeah, he died August 2015.
And he buried the 18th.
The 18th?
That's what it says.
Yeah, no, he died August 18th. Yeah, 2015. So that's it. Let's see Shawnee and see what's going on at the back here. I don't know.
You have to come up closer.
Yeah. What's going on the back?
That looked like.
Huh? You see? Yeah. All right, Papa, we miss you. Please. Don't tell me I need another pan, Shawnee. Same pan. We don't miss having. Kai already asking me what's for dinner. Easy, simple, no hustle. Take it easy. And it's the weekend, guys. Hope you do enjoy your weekend. Have a, wonderful, relaxed, undisturbed weekend. Peaceful, peaceful. Love one another. And, I always think it's important to give love and receive love. It's very important. You know, some people are great at giving love, but they are not great at receiving. And some people are great at receiving and not great at giving. So guys, make sure we balance it out, you know. Give and receive. Enjoy the weekend. Call your family. You know, keep in touch. Because we never know. Tomorrow is not promised to anyone, and you don't want to hear that, oh my God, I didn't talk to her since 6 months ago. Or him 6 months ago. So keep in touch with your loved ones. Show love. Tell them how you love them. Just a quick, you know, just a quick, hi, how are you? You good? Just checking up, you know. Ashani over here doing our fruits, blending, our processing, blending, cutting up the fruits. We start soaking up some fruit. We're kind of late with our fruits for Christmas cake or Thanksgiving cake, but we're gonna get it done. Let's see that, Ashani. Oh yeah, man, that's good. Let's see. Use a spoon. I don't want to get it too fine. I think that's good. Use the juice. Use the juice to blend it.
I think enough juice is in there. Look.
But we're going to need the juice to soak. Throw it in the bottle. We're going to need the juice. Save that, but we're going to need the juice. Alright. We need that juice, baby. And we do everything at night. Thank you for messing up my towel with that cherry, Ashley. Thank you so much. Say you're welcome.
You're welcome.
Everybody make dumplings differently, and this is how I grow. So my mother make it, and I make it like that too. Just like anything else, you have to have creative mind, you know. So you have to create something. That's a lot of dumpling. I'm going to make no more. I'm going to put some dumpling in now. Dumpling going in the pot. And you touch them up again. Give them a nice little touch up. One more time. This is simple, quick and easy chicken soup, and you're gonna cook it with just what you got, and don't worry about nothing. Just make sure you're giving it some love, and at the end it tastes good, even if you don't have all the ingredients. So we're gonna spin, you know, another way, find another way. So I'm gonna add some of this to it to give it, you know, it's not the best thing to do, but it's something you can do. So always get your pumpkin, but just in case you never get the pumpkin didn't come out right, because people use this for to cook yellow rice. You can use it in your soup too. It's okay. Now add in some to it to give it that color that the pumpkin didn't give it. All right, I guess that's good enough. We use it for yellow rice, so we can also use it. We use it for my sweet and sour chicken, so I can use it to bring, you know, help out here and there. All right, that's it. And look at it, it comes up. I'm just adding my chicken now, and I'm doing it back way. Some people put their chicken in first. I put in my chicken last because I really don't like my chicken cooking out and be thready in the soup. I like it all no thread looking. So chicken takes a few minutes to cook. So it's gonna be ready and it's gonna be nice, and the chicken gonna be solid. Some people might like it the other way, and it's okay, but this is the way I like it. Let's add our carrots. Remember, I don't like it overcooked and get sweet. And at the same time, we're gonna add our thyme. And I have some scallion here. Let me beat them up. You're too rude. You're too bad. You're too rude. You're too bad. Some scallion in. So I found out that I don't have any pepper. I just have this piece and look, pure seeds. Pure seeds. So I'm gonna just cut out the I'm not gonna put the seed part in it because I don't know. It's gonna be hot. I don't even want to touch it. Alright. See, I'm using better than bouillon. I love my better than bouillon. This is what we're gonna use in it. And one big scoops. And we're gonna come back and see if we need more. Right? I'm gonna bring the flavor up. And you turn this one. Okay. So let's see, it's cooking. See if it has the right consistency. Now we need something more. But it looks good. It's cooking. The chicken look cooking. Everything is cooked, and the chicken is not shredded out. I'm gonna taste to see if the flavor is good. So I'm gonna taste this and see. Taste in the hand, right? Oh, hot! My better than bouillon. This is what gonna give the soup the thickness. And I'm gonna add a small piece of butter. Just help with the flavor. Bring the flavor up. And guess what? I didn't taste any pepper. I'm gonna put the whole thing in it. The whole pepper with the seed and everything in it. It didn't taste. It can easy weekend soup. And also for this weather here, and plus for the cold and flu, this good. This help. Chicken soup for the soul. Oops. This look ready. All right. It's ready. So guys, this soup is ready. See, nice. Look at it. Okay. So that is saying though, you don't have to have everything to make soup. Look, the consistency is great. That's how I like it. Shouldn't be any thicker than this because it's not porridge, right? It's not cereal, right? That's good for me. So I'm going to dish myself a dish, and I'm gonna tell you, I'm gonna have 2 dumplings. And see how I like the chicken here. This is how I like my chicken. Nothing, no shredding going on here. Like it just like that. Just like that. And that's it. This is how I like it. See? It's hot. Thanks for watching.